Hi folks, today I want to talk about my DJI FPV and how to replace the cowling if you want to do it in a different color. So there are a couple of different colors available. This one's a red one, and they are also available in a green and a black. It comes with a clear one when you get it and a green one in a box, but this one's a red one. So how do we change it out? Well, I just use my hex driver. It's a 1.5 hex driver on my automatic screwdriver here, and you'll just start it and it should come out pretty easily. Now there will be a little bit of thread locker on the screws, so if you get it most of the way in and just take it out with your finger, just make sure you put some thread locker back on when you put it back in. Now there are one, two, and then two on the other side, and there's four on the front around the gimbal. And you will have to do a little bit of torquing to get the thing off there, just maneuvering it to get it off. So yeah, that was an easy change out. It probably took me about 2 minutes. Like say this one's a red one, it's an Anby. I just picked it up on Amazon and I think it was only about 11 bucks. So pretty good value for to change the look of your drone. Anyway, have a great day.